Well, I did it. I'm out here camping. So it's about 29 degrees. It's been snowing steady. Not very heavy, but steady. So I came out about 30 minutes ago, and I was not prepared. A lot of snow. Here, look at this. I have this vestibule, and you can see the snow creeping in from underneath. It was pretty stacked up, piled up here, so I had to wipe that off, and in doing so I got kind of wet. Shoes got wet, and then it got wet in here. It's actually kind of drying up, but I did it. I came out here. I'm dressed up pretty good. I got all my Air Force stuff under, long johns and stuff, and I'm doing pretty good. This sleeping bag though is nothing special. I don't even know what brand it is, but I think it's really only rated till like 40 degrees. But I have this. I don't know if you saw that. It's my Army down sleeping mummy bag, which I may bust out. I'm kind of testing them out and see which one is the warmest. Right now it's not really that bad with this, but I think if I was trying to sleep, my feet would get cold. They're kind of cold now, my extremities, but I feel pretty good. Got a light, and I think these little lamps are providing quite a bit of heat, but I'm gonna have to turn them off when I close my eyes because I don't want to catch on fire. And my socks got a little wet, so I had to put on my second pair, but there's my other bag. That's about it. We'll see how long I can sleep. And I don't know when or if I'll bust out this other bag. It's kind of small, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll take this damn jump overalls off. They're kind of small. They're giving me a huge wedgie. But that's about it. Maybe a neighborhood kitty will crawl in here with me.